Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to sort your mail by date in Microsoft Outlook. So if you want to sort your date by most recent or oldest, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is in your main inbox settings here, you see the by date option. Click on the drop down here and you can arrange by date. So that's one option. You can just see the most recent ones. However, if you want to see oldest to newest, you can just click on the arrow again and then it'll go oldest to newest instead of newest to oldest. And this will work if you also search for mail. So if you want to search from a specific sender perhaps, you can sort the mail in the same way. Again, just be more focused on specific mail from a specific sender or topic. You guys get the point. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.